Building an AI assistant app sounds futuristic? Not anymore. Today, businesses aren't just using AI, they're building custom AI assistant apps that run support, operations, sales, even onboarding, all without human intervention. Hi, I'm Pargatella, CTO and co-founder at Codebrew Labs, and I'll show you how these apps are being used to transform real businesses and how one can be tailored to yours. And one thing we have seen repeatedly, the companies moving fastest today are the ones that treat AI not just as a tool, but as a team member. Now, when most people hear AI assistant, they think of ChatGPT or Siri. But what we are talking about is something entirely different. A real AI assistant app isn't just answering questions, it's doing work. It's connected to your CRM, your internal databases, your product documentation. It understands your workflows, it speaks in your tone, it acts on behalf of you across channels. Think of it as a digital operations lead, available 24/7, trained on your data, and deeply integrated with your systems. Let me show you what that actually looks like in the real world. In healthcare, we built an assistant that helps patients schedule appointments, verify insurance, answer questions about medications, and even follow up after visits. One of our clients reduced their front desk load by over 50%. Now take logistics. Here's an AI assistant tracking shipments in real time, notifying customers, and coordinates with vendors as well. That alone led to nearly a 50% drop in customer complaint calls within just 3 months. And in the SaaS world, we have seen assistants that onboard users, guide them through features, resolve queries, and even qualify leads. One of our platforms went from a 3-day onboarding process to just 15 minutes, fully automated. Across industries, the pattern is clear. AI assistants aren't just replacing tasks, they're reimagining how work gets done. And we're not talking about generic chatbots. These are intelligent systems with memory, context, and real decision-making ability. They don't just talk, they take action and get things done. So why are more businesses building their own AI assistants instead of relying on off-the-shelf tools? Because generic AI doesn't know your business. It doesn't understand your customers, and it definitely doesn't integrate seamlessly with your internal systems. That's where we come in. At Codebrew Labs, we built AI assistant apps from the ground up. Not templates, not plugins, but fully custom assistants built for your exact business needs. We start by understanding your workflows and bottlenecks. Then we map the right use cases where AI can deliver real value. Whether it's customer service, lead management, internal ops, or reporting. We train your AI on your internal data, like documents, chat transcripts, knowledge bases, using the most advanced tools, including GPT, Claude, and Gemini, combined with our own fine-tuned layers. From there, we integrate your assistant with the tools you already use, your CRM, your app, your help desk, and your internal dashboards. And finally, we deploy it wherever you need it. Web, mobile, WhatsApp, Slack, voice. So your assistant is available wherever your customers are. And we don't stop at launch. We track real usage, analyze outcomes, fine-tune your assistant, just like coaching a top performer. And the results speak for themselves. A logistics client dropped support load by 60% in 90 days. A healthcare startup handled over 5,000 patient interactions without hiring a single agent. A B2B SaaS platform doubled its onboarding speed while improving user satisfaction. That is what happens when AI is purpose-built around your business. Not just smarter conversations, but real-world impact. Now, if you've been exploring AI but aren't sure where to start, or maybe you've tried plug-and-play tools and felt underwhelmed, I'd invite you to take a different approach. Let's have a conversation. No pitches, no pressure. Just a one-to-one session with our AI experts, where we'll look at your business, your systems, and show you what's possible when you build your own AI assistant app the right way. Because the future of productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing less with systems that work intelligently behind the scenes. And if you're ready to explore what that could look like in your business, we are here to help you build it.